How to use Finviz for penny stocks. Follow the instructions. Go to the Finviz website and open the screener page. Select the descriptive tab in the screener. Set the price filter to under 5 to target penny stocks. Choose average volume over 100K or 500K to ensure liquidity. Select market cap as micro or small to narrow down to typical penny stock companies. Pick the exchange if you want to avoid OTC stocks and focus on Nasdaq or NYSE. Use the charts view to scan through stock trends visually. Click on individual tickers to explore more details like news and financials. Review technical indicators such as moving averages or RSI for potential entry points. Take your time to research each stock carefully since penny stocks carry higher risk. Thank you for watching.